Hi, I'm Eric at Northwest Custom Apparel, and I'm back in our digital print department, and I'm going to be showing you the basics of digital printing. Here at Northwest, we run the Corning direct-to-garment printers. These are the top-of-the-line printers. We can print out full color, and we have the dedicated green and red head, so we can get the bright reds and the bright greens. Not a lot of digital printers can achieve that. First of all, you're going to ask, why do I want to get this screen printed rather than DTG? First of all, DTG is a full color print. You can get all the colors of the spectrum like that. Second of all, the setup fees are a lot less. You don't have to do a setup per color. And also the minimums. To get a print like this, screen print, you'd have to do a minimum of 288 shirts. Here, you could do one shirt if necessary. This is a bottle of our water-based inks. All these inks are eco-friendly, safe for the environment. They also give a very vibrant print with a multicolor look to them. So these are our Corning water-based inks. We pre-treat each shirt with a water-based fixation solution. This lays down a starch-like base that prepares the shirt for printing. Artwork for direct-to-garment printing is pretty simple. Send us a high-resolution JPEG, 300 DPI, your traditional EPS, high resolution. Just send it to us and we'll evaluate it and tell you if we can use it or not. And for the printer setup, it's a one-time fee. To set up the printer, we call it ripping the design, and it's just a one-time fee. And it's pretty easy. Just send us the artwork, and if you have anything difficult, we'll just give you a quote. So if you're looking to get started with us for some direct-to-garment printing, give us a call at 800-851-3671, or shoot us an email at our sales@nwcustomapparel.com, and we will help you make some money.